How to enable or disable cellular limit IP address tracking on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, in here, go down and tap on Cellular Data Options. Then we go down and tap on Limit IP Address Tracking. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Limit IP Address Tracking. And here say Limit IP Address Tracking by hiding your IP address from known trackers in Mail and Safari. And that's it. So if you want to protect your privacy, you can leave this on. And finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.